Oh my gosh, I don't even want to cut it. 10 years old, and I'm cutting it for the first time. Oh my gosh. Now it's not brand new with tag anymore. Hi everyone, it's Maggie from My Favorite Things. So, I have an exciting video. It's exciting for me because I'm unboxing it. I got a new bag and it just came, and I'm gonna show you of me opening. I have just opened it and I'll insert that video. It is in pristine shaped box. Okay, it's just a box. Let's not get too excited. That's the box. Oh my gosh. My hands are shaking. Okay, so here's the dust bag. Okay, I'm gonna tilt this over. And here's a tag that's attached, Chanel tag. This is from 2009 red. And I like the 2000, I know people love the 2010 red, but I didn't, you know what? I didn't even know that there were different kinds of reds in every year and different kinds of caviar. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at the roundness of this. It's turning out, you know what? In the camera, it's turning out more orangey, but in real life, it's like burgundy, sort of, almost a burgundy kind of a red. I'm gonna see if I can take better pictures of this, but the seller had bought it from the Chanel store. She bought it herself, and then she never ended up using it. Oh, look at that. This is what I love about this 2009 is this CC is like my I can't even talk. I got a Chanel Jumbo in red caviar with silver hardware. What? You're like, what are you doing? Well, wait. I sold my Chanel Jumbo single flap in black caviar. Because as you know from my last video, which I'll link below, I did a comparison between single and double flap. Well, my husband has always said, why do I have two exact same bags? You know, they're both black. The only thing difference is that one's single, one's double flap, and one's silver, and one's gold hardware. I decided to keep the double flap gold hardware. That's the one that I got from Saks Fifth Avenue, Chanel. And I decided to sell my single flap caviar in silver hardware. And I really like the silver hardware. I love that bag. And I put it on the Facebook group and it sold within, I don't know, 15 minutes with like a dozen people saying, I want it. And I couldn't believe, I think I just figured that it would take longer. And once it sold, I was like, oh my gosh, I missed that. I love the single flap. So I wanted to have another single flap. And I thought I couldn't have another black because that's the whole reason for selling that black. And so I thought, okay, why don't I get a red one? Because I have two Marmont bags. One's black mini and one's red small flap. And I use the black mini more for me as crossbody. And I don't tend to grab my red Marmont, which I've mentioned it in my other video. Sometimes it falls off my shoulder, like one scrap would fall off, and that's sort of irritating. I think it's a beautiful bag, but I wasn't using it that much. And there's nothing wrong with the bag. It was in pristine shape. So I decided to sell the red Marmont flap and the jumbo single flap black Caviar and get the red jumbo single flap, which was made, this is made in 2009. This is, I didn't know this, that there's all different kinds of red colors depending on what year it was produced. And the Caviar it's beautiful. Now my black one that I sold was also from 2009, but this is brand spanking new. It still has the tag, which is amazing considering that it was made in 2009. It's 10 years old. Okay, so I didn't know that there were all these different shades of reds depending on what year you buy. And people seem to covet the 2009 red, which is supposed to be more bright cherry red, and 2017, 2012, I think. Don't quote me on some of these things. I mean, I don't know too much about these things. But I saw that, so I was looking for a jumbo in a excellent or very good to excellent shape. And I was looking for a red or a color. Red, I love red. So I was looking for a red bag. So the choice was very limited, but when I came across this bag, I couldn't get it out of my mind. And so I got this, but I don't feel so bad because I sold two, got one, right? Well, I have another one coming and I'll do an unboxing on that, but I'll tell you about that later. But okay, so this is it. I absolutely love it. I love this big CC. I think this year I love the way the CC is in 2009. I love the fact that it's silver and red. I think it's kind of casual. When I saw this, I just couldn't get it out of my mind. And with the two bags that are gone, here it is. I now have a new red jumbo. And now my collection has, my husband can't say, I have two exact same bags, right? Okay. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up and please consider subscribing, and I will talk to you later. And I'll talk to you later. Bye. I'm going to show you how it looks on me. I tie the strap so that I could wear it handheld like this, or I could untie the strap. And I have this Velcro thing right here. And then if I wanted to cross body, I could do that. I could also. Oh, I could do it this way